The Hyperloop could replace planes. Imagine traveling at airplane speeds, but on the ground. That's the promise of the Hyperloop, a futuristic transport system that could replace planes and trains. But will it really work? The idea. The Hyperloop uses pods inside vacuum tubes, reducing air resistance so they can travel at over 700 miles per hour. Faster than planes, quieter than trains. The vision. Trips like London to Paris could take just 30 minutes. Long-haul journeys could be cut from hours to minutes, transforming global travel. The company's Elon Musk popularized the idea, but now companies like Virgin Hyperloop and Hyperloop TT are building prototypes and test tracks around the world. The challenges. The cost is massive, safety is unproven, and some critics say it may never scale. Will governments and investors take the risk? The Hyperloop could change travel forever, or it could stay science fiction. Would you ride in a Hyperloop pod? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to Incognito Future Lab for more future tech insights.